Street vocabulary. Traffic light. ATM. Tree. Bridge. Pedestrian crossing. Bus stop. Bench. Road sign. Sidewalk. Street light. Fountain. Manhole. Fire hydrant. Fence. Intersection. Stores. Supermarket. Bakery. Pharmacy. Bookstore. Clothing store. Shoe store. Toy store. Pet store. Flower shop. Gift shop. Jewelry store. Furniture store. Music store. Sports store. Watch store. Health problems. Headache. Broken leg. Fever. Toothache. Sore throat. Rash. Cough. Stomachache. Allergy. Itching. Bruise. Shivering. Vomiting. Dizziness. Cut. Go fishing. Go swimming. Go skating. Go jogging. Go running. Go hiking. Go camping. Go shopping. Go sightseeing. Go skiing. Go cycling. Go surfing. Go sailing. Go diving. Go bowling. Daily requests. Can you help me, please? Can you open the door, please? Can you close the window, please? Can you pass the salt, please? Can you call me later? Can you write it down, please? Can you wait a moment, please? Can you bring me water, please? Can you turn on the light? Can you turn off the light? Kitchen actions. Wash. Peel. Cut. Chop. Slice. Dice. Grate. Mix. Stir. Pour. Boil. Fry. Bake. Grill. Serve. Tree parts. Root. Trunk. Branch. Leaf. Twig. Bark. Bud. Flower. Fruit. Seed. Sap. Crown. Growth ring. Needle. Cone. Common phrasal verbs. Wake up. Get up. Turn on. Turn off. Pick up. Put on. Take off. Sit down. Stand up. Go out. Come in. Come back. Look for. Put down. Throw away.